Good morning, scholars. I believe you all are safe and sublime at home. Now again we are back to studies. So today I am going to initiate chapter 5, Should Wizard Get Mommy, written by John Updike. He is an American writer. In this chapter, basically the theme of the story, it deals with authority and parenting. That means how much parents they care for us. The story is all about it. Sometimes children they have their own opinions, but at last the story it gives the message that the parents they can only think the best for the child. So let's have a quick review of the characters. In the characters, Jack, he is the father of 2 kids. He is blessed with 2 kids, that is Joe, she is the protagonist, and Bobby, 2-year-old boy. They both are siblings. Claire, she is Jack's wife and she is conceiving their 3rd child. So this is entirely about the family configuration, Jack's family configuration. Now what you have to keep in mind when you are preparing your character sketches, Joe's character sketch, because she is protagonist, as well as Jack's character sketch. The other prominent characters, the other important characters, so can I interrupt? मैं लेंस में नहीं आ रही हूँ।
आप नहीं आ रही, आपसे आवाज आ रही है, बोल नहीं दिख रहा होगा।
Okay, so like only my this much it is viewing. So वो work करेगा? The other prominent characters are Roger, a wise owl, wizard, and with the help of these prominent characters, Father Jack is always, every time he is trying to weave a story for his daughter Joe. So now how the story starts is that it's a daily routine of Jack to narrate a story to her daughter, who is now 4 years old. He started this tradition of narrating story to her to his daughter when she was 2 years old. So obviously most of the themes, most of the plotting of the story have been heard by the daughter. बहुत सारी plotting जो है वो already father अपनी daughter को सुना चुका है. And sometimes she also start concluding the stories on her own. So it's a big challenge on the part of Jack that to narrate every time a story with a new theme, with some new freshness. It is really a big challenge for Jack. So usually we used to narrate these stories every day at evening hours, and especially on Saturday afternoons for nap. Okay. Nap is a short sleep, so at afternoon on Saturdays when it was his off, so he used to narrate a story to her daughter Joe, so that after listening to the story, she goes for sleep. Now, in every story, the character Roger is being repeated again and again, but a little change is there. Every time whenever Jack is narrating story to her daughter Joe, he is changing the animal. Roger basically here is the name, character name. He keeps on changing the animals. For illustration, it is sometimes Roger Fish, sometimes it is Roger Squirrel, sometimes it is Roger Chipmunk. And the story which we are going to study and prepare thoroughly is about Roger Skunk. Okay. Now what happens again? It is Saturday afternoon and Father Jack, he sat along with his daughter and he starts narrating the story. This time Joe, she says that she wants the animal should be changed and this time it should be skunk. Father very happily he accepted the change and he started narrating the story about Roger Skunk. And now how the story starts, he says that there was once upon a time there was a animal Roger Skunk. He used to stink very badly, उसके पास से बहुत foul smell आता था, and because of this reason he had no friends and he always used to feel ignored. So once what happened, Roger Skunk, he went to the wise owl. This wise owl, he narrated his problem to the wise owl that I have no friend to play, I am always sitting alone. So wise owl, he gave him a suggestion. He told him, go and meet Wizard. Wizard here is a magician. Go and meet Wizard. He will definitely help you. So Roger Skunk finally he approaches Wizard. He listens to his problem and then gives him the solution. But Wizard always had this tradition of asking money, or which Roger's son was not having. So obviously Wizard gave him the solution that from where he can fetch that extra pennies or extra money for Wizard. Roger, he did the same. He went to the well, which was told to him by Wizard. Wizard ने जिस well को बताया रास्ता वहाँ Roger जाता है. He finds there 3 pennies. He collects those pennies. He comes back to Wizard. He handed over to him, and then he returned back to his home. While going to his way home back, he meets his friends and he starts playing with his pals, buddies. And finally, when he saw that it is getting dark, so he thought that now I should go back home. My mother must be pondering where I have gone. And when he returned back home, basically it was whenever he used to return back home, mother and Roger's come, they used to wait for the father who used to come back from Boston. He used to go to Boston for work. So when he returned back home, he was smelling very pleasantly. So mother, obviously he asked him about the change of smell. So he narrated the entire story that he was having none of friends. He always used to feel very dull. So he went to Wizard, a wise owl. Then he instructed him to go to the Wizard. And finally he expressed his desire that he wanted to smell like roses. And he, with a magic spell, he converted his foul smell into the smell of pleasant smell of roses. Now this entire story he narrated to his mother. But mother is a mother. Obviously, he wanted his kid, her kid, to be the way she had given birth to him. Obviously, so she didn't like that change. The mother said that this change is not for good. So let's go back to the Wizard, and I will ask that Wizard to again change your smell. So they go to the Wizard, and as she was filled with anger, she was enraged when she went there. And at the moment when Wizard opened his door, Roger's mother, he hit Wizard with an umbrella, and so the title "Should Wizard Hit Mommy" is also here. Now when the father gave this climax to the story, father here is Jack. So when Jack he gave this climax to the story, she was stunned. She was thinking that it will be a pleasant ending, and by now she was 4 years old, so she started having her own opinions. So she expressed herself that, father, I don't feel that this is the right climax to the story. And in between also she was asking some questions. So father, he said finally, but this is the climax of the story, because a mother or the parents, they always think the best for their kids. Mother, she knew that my son, that foul smell is her identity. That pleasant smell is not her identity. Nobody is going to know. Okay, it is a good change. Maybe for few days it will be accepted by her friends, by the society, but not always. Okay, so that is why the mother, she went to the Wizard and she asked the Wizard to again convert back the smell, no matter it was a foul smell. So this is how the story, it comes to the climax. Anyways, father instructs his daughter Jo to sleep along with his brother Bobby, and he goes down. His wife Claire, she's busy doing painting on old furniture. And Jack had promised that afternoon, Saturday afternoon, he is going to help him, he is going to assist him in painting of furniture. But because now he was so much in ambiguity, वो इतना confused हो जाता है with the type of questions raised by his daughter, finally he is all muddle-headed and he was unable to assist his wife in doing the painting. But anyways, the woman value or the moral of the story is that the parents, they always think best for the kids. Kids, they believe that whatever is fascinating is the best, but parents, they know कि whatever is traditional or whatever is inborn, जो हमारे जन्म के साथ है या जो हमारी संस्कृति के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है, that is the best. वही हमारे लिए सबसे बेहतर है. So this is what the woman value moral, this is story, Should Wizard Hit Mommy teaches. Now children, your prime focus should be to prepare the character set of the protagonist, that is Joe, main character, as well as Jack. So this will help you in covering most of the important incidences of the chapter. I believe this video will help you in comprehending your chapter when you read it thoroughly. If you have any problem, you can ask me on my WhatsApp group. We people are always in contact. Have a